Hello everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Loka Priya here. In today's video I'm sharing with you a quick Moong Dal video. As you guys can see, I'm making a Moong Dal. I have some tofu, eggplant and some kale. You gotta have some type of greens in your dal. So during the winter time, myself, my husband and children truly love eating this Moong Dal with rice, of course, and some chapatis. As you can see, I added some tomatoes and some spices into the dal. If you like the full complete video, please let me know down below in the description box. I will be very happy to share this Moong Dal recipes with you. At this point, I'm letting it boil for 5 minutes and adding some salt in there. Also, I just want to mention that it's 100% vegan. Guys, look at it. Look at the color, the vegetable, the tofu. Seriously guys, from just talking about it, looking at it makes my mouth watering. Also, I wanted to add that I love eating any type of dal with some delicious tomato chutney. On top of that, it doesn't really matter the brand. Just get yourself any tomato or mango or lemon chutney. It goes so well with it. And voila, le dîner prêt. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next video. Let me know down below in the description box for the recipes. Bye.